welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's write a program where you can identify if a given character is a digit or an alphabet or a symbol using Python. Okay, so what do you mean by a digit? Digit is nothing but any numerical value is called as digit, right? Single digit, two-digit number, three-digit number. So likewise. And what do you mean by an alphabet? The set of letters which are ranging from A to Z is called as an alphabet, right? And what is a symbol? Any special character like a sign, shape or an object is represented as a symbol. Okay, so let us identify what among this given what is a digit. So 4, 7, right? And so let us identify the characters A, K, right? So what about the symbols? At the rate and symbol, right? So it's very easy, guys. So let us write a program now where you can find out if a given character is a digit, alphabet or symbol. So now let me take a variable name. Let's say character is equals to, now let us take the input from the users using input. So enter a character. Okay, now so if you initially, let's find out if a given character is a digit or not. For that, if statement, if 0 less than or equal to character less than or equal to 9. So let us take from 0 to 9. So then I wanted to print character is a digit. Okay, so it's a digit now. So now what about the alphabets? For that, elif is a statement which we use in order to find out the second condition. So A less than or equal to character less than or equal to Z. This checks the small letters which are available and or. Okay, because we have to check for the capitals also. So A, capital A less than or equal to character less than or equal to capital Z. Then what I wanted to print is a alphabet. Okay, so now like what if it is not a digit and what is if it is not a alphabet? It will be a symbol, right? So else print character is a symbol. That's it. So let me just check for any errors and okay, let me run the program now. So let me check if it is something like a digit or not. So let us take an example 6. So 6 is a digit. So let me run again. So now let me check for an alphabet. So let us give something like J and enter. So J is an alphabet, right? And what about so let me run again for symbol. So let me give at the rate and enter. So see here, A is a symbol. Okay, so this is the way you write the program in order to identify if it is a digit or an alphabet or a symbol. Okay guys, I hope you understood. And so that's all about this video, guys. For more such programmatic based videos, please do follow us on our YouTube, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also guys, we do have our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, and please go and find us, type MyGo Minds and also do follow us for more updates. Thank you.